Hi, so I made this script for you. I hope it's as fun as it is for you to do as it was for me to create. So I'm just going to read you a little bit about the characters, and then our two actors are going to perform it for you. It's a viral 2-person script for kids called How to Use Your Imagination Like a Star. Sammy is an imaginative, creative kid who loves to daydream, always thinks of cool ideas, but struggles to make them happen. Alex, Sammy's best friend, who is more practical, always grounded, and sometimes skeptical about Sammy's wild ideas. This is where it's set. It says here that it's in a bedroom full of arts and crafts supplies. We're performing it for you at the park, but you can put this anywhere you want. Posters of outer space, a pile of books, there's a window with a view of the sky, and a toy spaceship sits on the shelf. There are stage directions here if you want to get your parents to print this out. I'm not going to read them, but I will put all of this in the first comment, and I'm going to mark this as made for adults because your parents need to be able to help you with it. One more thing, anybody can play any part in this. I just had to pick 2 characters to perform them for you. Let's dive in. Oh, and don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, all the good stuff so that you can get the next script.
Alex, guess what? I'm going to build a rocket ship, and we're flying to the moon. A rocket ship out of a cardboard box? That's a big jump from your last idea of turning a bike into a race car.
Well, this time I'm serious. We just need to use our imagination and make it work. The best stars use their imaginations to make things happen.
Okay, I see. But how exactly are we going to turn a box into a spaceship? You can't just pretend you're in outer space.
That's the magic of imagination. Watch this. We just need to pretend the box is made of space metal. See? It's got buttons, a control panel, and even rocket boosters.
Okay, and what's this space metal made of? Is it like the stuff when you are a superhero and you make shields?
Exactly, it's super strong. But you know what the real secret is? You have to believe it. Once you believe it, anything can happen.
I see. Okay, so if I pretend with you, it might work?
Yes! And the best part is we can go anywhere. I need you to press the launch button. Alex, the countdown is almost up.
Okay, we can do this. But what if something goes wrong? What if we end up in the ocean or underwater or...
We imagine we're traveling through the stars. Alex, nothing can go wrong when you believe in yourself.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
Yay! We did it! We're in outer space. Ooh, look at the stars.
Wait a minute, I thought we were going to the moon. Why are there so many stars?
Well, that's because our imagination just took us past the moon. Now we'll fly through the galaxy, and guess what? There's no limit to where we can go.
Well, as long as we don't crash into a comet, I'm on board.
See, told ya. The sky's the limit when you use your imagination like a star. That was awesome! Don't forget to subscribe, everybody, and hit the notification bell for the next one.